Hello everybody, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you join my little family. Today I created this look right here. It's super simple. You can wear this anywhere, literally anywhere. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial and continue watching. Okay, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I used my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown. I carved them out with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I primed my eyelids with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So for today's look, I'm going to go in with the Tarte in Bloom palette. Tarte actually sent me this palette, which I'm so thankful for. I would tag them in a lot of my makeup looks because I use a lot of their products, and so they sent me a DM through Instagram and they said they wanted to send me a special gift, so they sent me this along with some other stuff, so I want to use it today. I'm going to be using like this row right here. I love the colors and it's fall time, so I think those are really cute for fall. So the first color I'm going to be going in with is this one right here called Sweetener. Right here, and I'm going to be placing this in my crease. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506, and I'm going to put this directly in my crease. And if you have trouble finding your crease, just look down into a little mirror like this, and then you can clearly see it. So I'm going to put this as a transition shade, and I'm going to bring it all the way into here. And by the way, I did not set my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot because I think these shadows work better with a sticky base. Just a heads up. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to be taking is the one right next to it. This one's called Rebel. And I'm going to take it on the same brush, and I just want to put that over this shade to define it more. And this color also adds some warmth into the eye, which I love for fall. Also, you want to hold your brush at the very end. If you hold it up here, it won't blend well, so just make sure you have the brush at the very end so you have a lighter hand. Okay, so now I'm going to take a clean blending brush. See how this has no product on it, and I'm just going to hit the top just to blend that out and diffuse it a little bit more. Okay, so the next color we're going to be taking is this one right here called Funny Girl. It's super shimmery and beautiful, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. And first I'm going to see how this looks without wetting the brush. Oh my gosh, super pigmented. I want to make this a cut crease, but not with concealer. I just want to define it with some shadow. I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Leader at the very end, still on that Morphe M506. I'm going to run this on the outer corner of my eye. And I kind of want to run this in the crease as well, just very lightly. Okay, so now I'm going to do some winged eyeliner. I'm going to go in with the Sephora Black Liquid Liner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I added one more step. I did my winged eyeliner, and then I used this shade right here called Activist to smoke it out. And now I'm going to go in with foundation. I already moisturized my face. I used my Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream Pond's Cream under my eyes, and I used like a face oil. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 125 Nude Beige. So I like to take a foundation brush that looks like this before I go in with a beauty sponge. And I like this kind of brush to do it around my eyebrows because I like to keep them real defined. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my damp beauty sponge. This one is the Real Techniques one. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the shade Light. So I'm just going to put some lines under my eyes, chin. And I need to work fast because this does dry fast. I don't know why I just did my whole face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Airspun loose setting powder. I'm going to take my sponge and put this under my eyes. Then for the rest of the face, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Face Powder. I'm going to go ahead with this brush and just pat that in. So I'm going to take this e.l.f. contour palette and I'm going to be taking the shade right here. It's the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm going to be taking this brush that's like super defined. But I'm not bringing it too far down, just like right there. Then a little bit around the perimeter. The jawline. So now I'm going to go in with this tiny brush. It's just a small contour brush from Sephora, and I'm just going to start blending this. Remember to hold your brush at the very end. So now I'm going to go in with this bronzer right here. It's called Saddle by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with this brush right here. I got it at TJ Maxx. And I'm going to bronze up my face. Now I'm going to contour my nose and I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and I'm going to take this bronzer right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to go in with this Tarte Party blush. It looks like this. So now I'm going in with Champagne Pop Highlighter by Becca. I'm going to finish up my lower lash line and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put Airspun loose setting powder to clean up my contour and I'm wearing Ardell lashes. And now I'm going to be lining my lips with my Marc Jacobs Nudist Lip Liner. Now I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs lipstick in Moody Margot. Okay, so I wiped off my bake and now I want to go in with a lip gloss. This one is just the Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar Lip Gloss. And I want to put this on top. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!